Well, good day. This is going to be how to make a mosaic poster like the one hanging up in the classroom. We're going to make a poster using this AndreaMosaic program. It comes free on the internet. And here I'll show you the URL so you can download it for free. There it is. Now, in order to use this AndreaMosaic program, you have to set up your file system first. Here, let me show you what a mosaic is all about. Here's a mosaic of me. I don't know why I chose me, but I did. And let me zoom in so we can see what this thing is. When we zoom in, we can see this big picture of me is really made up of little pictures of things I like. And so I picked out a bunch of things I like hummingbirds and Abraham Lincoln and boats and submarines and such. And then I put all these little tiny pictures until it looks like me. Watch. Here we go. There I am, look. And that's what a mosaic's going to be. Now we're going to print ours really big. The first thing you have to do if you're going to make a really big one is you have to have a lot of little pictures. Now you don't have to have 10,000 pictures, but you have to have a lot of pictures. So I have to set up my file system. And I put a project folder called Mosaic Project, and it's the one of me because I might do another mosaic project of something else. And in this folder I put the picture of myself and a folder that has all of my little tiny pictures. Here, let me show you that. We'll just go to large icons. Here's me and here's my hundreds of pictures. Let's open it up. And here's the stuff I like. It says there's 130 pictures in here. And so I just picked out stuff that I don't know, pictures that I kind of liked, and you'll have to pick out pictures that you kind of like. So you have to set up your folder system. This is the most important thing to do. All these pictures are JPEG pictures. Did you notice that? They're all JPGs. AndreaMosaic will only work with JPG pictures. So you'll have to pick out a bunch of them, and it's going to take quite a while to pick out at least 100 pictures. But once you get them all picked out, then you're ready to go to the AndreaMosaic and make your mosaic picture. So let's get started. Once you start up the AndreaMosaic, choose square tiles. When you get square tiles, they're going to want to know up here, where's the main image? That's going to be the image of me. So I'm going to do the plus, and I'll find it. And here it is. This is the main picture. And I'll say that's it, and I'll choose open. The next thing you're going to want to do is decide how many little tiles do you want. Now we're going to make a giant poster, so I recommend 10,000 tiles. Now it's time to tell them where are the little tiny pictures. And that's way down here under Tile Images. So I click this little button down here, Tile Images. And it's going to want to know where are those little pictures. So I'll choose this button, Add Folder, and I'll tell them where my little pictures are. Remember that's in my, I put mine in my C drive, but yours is going to be in the H drive for you, isn't it? So there's mine, and it says where's all your little pictures? My little pictures are here in Mosaic Pics. Okay. Now I'm going to save the list. Here's my list. It only has one thing on it, but I'm going to save the list. Might as well put it in the same place. I'm going to call it my mosaic. And I'll make sure I put it in the same place. You're going to put yours in the H, but I'm putting in mine in the C because I just happen to be there. And save. It says you are ready to create a mosaic using this list of 130 images. You can go back to the main window. Okay. Scoot this up, and at the bottom it says OK. Now it's time to create the mosaic. Create. Good. It says the mosaic is completed. Do you want to open the destination folder? Well, of course. And here it is. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's a JPEG file. Hey, it looks great. Can we zoom in? And there you go. So here's my little tiny pictures, and I'll zoom back out. we'll see. Hey, that turned out pretty good. There, if you bring me a JPEG like this, I'll print it out on the big printer for you. You'll have a giant poster you can take home.